FEC's number 202. I believe it's 105 and 140 on lead. It's going to be a colorful contest today, as 109 had the Pink Lady 425. Number 101, which I'll be seeing with Mr. Andrew Saraceno, has a 141. This one has the 105. Possibly 222 has a Champion or an Alaskan Railroad colored unit on lead. Look at this train. No, strike status to 142. Look at them go. Horizon line. Costco. Yang me. Schneider. Where's go? Southern line. Southern Pacific. Grand Trunk and an older Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway. CP Rail. Conrail. Railroad. And a CSX auto rack ending it off. It's BBT 609 here at milepost 307 near the intermediate 307.1-2 12th Avenue South. Have a safe trip to the crew. 202. I probably will be seeing 222 and 101 later on today, so stay tuned.